Welcome to Tyson Biswick's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Biswick. This week on Tech Tuesdays, we are unboxing the JBL Tune 510. That's 510 BT headphones, and they're right here. So this is an unboxing video. I'm just going to unbox and show you what comes inside the box, tell you what it says on the box. It actually says these will last you for 40 hours after a full charge. So I'm just going to unbox, show you what comes inside the box, and then I'll use these for a full month before I can do a review video. So I'm just going to make sure that I use these headphones every single day, test the battery life, test the sound quality, and then I'll come back to you and tell you what I think about the headphones. So if you have any questions, if you have any pointers, if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer on the review video, if there's anything in particular that you want me to pay attention to on the review video, just let me know. So this is an unboxing video, so we're just gonna jump right into it and unbox this pair of headphones. So let's go in. So as usual, I'm just going to show you what the box looks like. I'm just going to tell you what it says on the box, and we're just going to dig in and see what's inside. So this is going to be a quick short video to just show you what comes inside the box, and then we'll do the review later. So this is eye-catching. So it's claiming a 40-hour battery. So that means when you fully charge it, it's going to be like 40 hours before you charge it again. So that's interesting. That's interesting because that's like 2 whole days of using it non-stop. So we're going to see. So it says here it's a wireless pure bass sound, hands-free calls as usual. JBL Tune 510 BT, pure bass sound, wireless. Okay, so let's go in, let's dig in and see what's inside the box. Okay, there you go. So now this is like on your face, really. Nothing inside that box. Set it aside there. Besides the headphones, what we get there is the quick start guide. I don't know why they still bring this, but it's okay. So we have 1, 2, troubleshooting, I guess, and 3. This is the paperwork that you get inside the box, and this is in I don't want to say, but this is in it's in another language that I don't understand. And you have the usual nice orange color JBL, and that's about it. Lucky guy. Apart from that, we get the very short USB charger. One of the guys on the comments told me that, oh, see what we have there? USB Type-C. I'm excited about that. Oh, that's good. So we have a USB Type-C charger. That's a step forward. But I don't see the audio cable. Why don't we have the audio cable? What's inside the box? So we have the charger. We have the charger and the headphones. We don't have the cable. I don't know why we don't have the cable. That's the USB to USB Type-C charger right there. This doesn't come in the box, by the way. This is just a charger that I got with my JBL Charge 3, like the wireless speaker. So don't expect to see that in there. So the elephant in the room, or the headphones in the room. Why do they put it? Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Guys. So, at first look and at first feel, this feels really cheap. Compared to the 700 that I did previously, this feels cheap on the hand. I haven't tried wearing them, but yeah, this is what it is. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Foldable design as usual, I guess. Yes. Small. That's see that? It really looks cheap, and it really looks like it's not gonna last. This thing here, it's gonna tear up very soon from the look of it. I don't know, maybe they used very good material that's gonna last, but it really feels very cheap. So we have the usual buttons: volume up, volume down, next, previous, pause, play, answer calls, whatever, on and off. Should we switch them on and see? Oh, there you go. So it's gonna turn blue to try and pair with your whatever device. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Just gonna. So that's what it is. I don't know what else I should talk about. Retractable, whatever. But yeah. At first look, it's gonna be on ear, and it's gonna feel funny. Let me try and wear them in. Feel small. They feel. Ooh. They actually feel good. I can't hear myself speak. That's amazing. So that's about it. So in the box, you're just gonna get that, and that's about it. So wait, are you able to? Oh no. So guys, you are actually not able to put the audio cable. That's why it doesn't come inside the box, and that's a huge minus for me, because for the pair that I have, the 700 BT, you when you run out of battery, you're able to just put on the audio cable. But it seems like for the 510s, you don't have that option, so you just have to depend on battery. But remember, the battery is 40 hours, so this has to be something. So we're just gonna see 5 minutes charge is gonna give you 2 hours of play time. A USB Type C, Bluetooth version 5.0. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to use these headphones for a full month, and then I do a review video. So if you have any questions, so I'm going to read the comments and see what you guys are asking about, and I'm going to do the tests. I'm definitely going to test the battery, I'm definitely going to test the mic, and I'm definitely going to test the sound quality. But if there's anything else that you want me to look into, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll hit you up in the review video. So to just recap, this was an unboxing video, and in the box you get this USB Type-C charger and this pair of headphones, nothing else. A lot of people have been saying that the 500 BT is rubbish, so I'm hoping that with the 510 they have improved it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Tyson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, just things that you do. I'm so excited about the subscribers. The channel is growing and I'm excited about it. So thanks. See you on the next one. See you on the review video. Let me know.